Hello there. You may have one of these Woods chipper shredder number 5000 with the optional blower on it. And of course there's maintenance on the belts. When the belts start slipping or get loose, you have to replace it. And the instructions say, and I'll show a little clip of that, to remove the PTO from the shaft here. If you can bring that down in here and show, and you access the Allen screws from the side here when you pull it back. Well, that is a major pain, and it just seems crazy that they would do something like that for a maintenance item like belt. So there is a trick to get this off without pulling that PTO, and this piece comes apart. There's a screw that you take out, and I can show you on this end. This one has a screw. You don't need to take this apart. You just pull it off and leave that aside, and then hold this collar piece and take and turn this white item until it gets to the slot, like that. And then at that point, you can pull it off. And then this collar can even stay on, but I took it off for visual. Then you can get the cage off, so you can get at the belts. It's a little trick that'll save you about 2-3 hours. I had to beat this shaft off. It just didn't want to come off. It's a keyed shaft, and it's just crazy that they would ask you to do that. But anyway, I hope that helps you.